Excavator training courses, affordable safety courses in Bellville, Cape Town, Benoni plus 27,731,582,436. Excavator operator training plus 27,731,582,436. Skills are attained at the Excavator Training Center at minimal excavator course fees, and operators earn an average salary of R$1,500 per month. Unit Standard Number 262,744. Unit Standard Credits, 15. NQF Level, 2. Modules for Excavator Driver course include: demonstrating knowledge of the functions of an excavator, planning for work activities and prepare work area, starting and shutting down excavator, operating excavator, transporting excavator to and from site. License renewal or refresher course 0731582436. Heavy machines training courses college. The School of Heavy Machinery Training and Welding courses, which take a short period of time at affordable prices. These equipments are used in the following fields below: Industrial and Harbor Equipment Training Course Academy, Mobile Crane, Tower Crane, Overhead Crane, Truck Mounted Crane, Rigging, Reach Stacker, Forklift, Reach Truck, Telescopic Boom Handler. Construction Machines Training Institute, 0731582436. TLB. Excavator, Tipper Truck, Payloader. Mining and Quarries Equipment Training Course, Drill Rig, LHD, Scoop Bulldozer. Road Making Equipment Training Course, call 0731582436. Grader, Road Roller, Bobcat. Welder course, call us for booking 0731582436. Boilermaker, CO2 welding or MIG welding, argon welding or TIG welding, double-coated welding, arc welding or stick welding, aluminum welding or steel welding, flux core welding. Short courses: occupational health and safety, plumbing, HVAC, pipe fitting, electrical installation, fitting and turning, panel beating, scaffolding, bricklaying, first aid, 1 to 2 firefighting, 1 to 2 diesel mechanics, carpentry. Superlink driver course. FAQ CCTV offers accommodation to students from all these locations like Durban, Pinetown, Richards Bay, Empangeni, Port Shepstone, Ladysmith, Newcastle, Kokstad, Pietermaritzburg, Ladysmith, Vryheid, Ulundi, Stanger, Ashoe, Amanzimtoti, Isipingo, Umkomaas and KwaZulu-Natal KZN. We have other branch offices in different provinces of South Africa: Umtata/Umtata, Butterworth, East London and Port Elizabeth in Eastern Cape, Bloemfontein in Free State, Pretoria, Vereeniging, Campton Park, Alberton, Germiston and Johannesburg, JHB in Gauteng, Polokwane and Lephalale in Limpopo, Nelspruit, Witbank, Secunda in Mpumalanga, Kimberley in Northern Cape, Rustenburg and Mafeking in Northwest, Cape Town in Western Cape, etc. We train students from other Southern African countries: Botswana, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Lesotho, Namibia, Swaziland, Zambia, Angola, Tanzania, Ghana, DR Congo, Gabon, Kenya, Nigeria, Chad, Mali, Sudan, Niger, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Madagascar and Uganda, etc. since we free accommodation and job assistance. Fully accredited training center with registration number 2013/14410/07, BB certificate number 012, accreditation No. TEDA 18-1003. All our courses are designed and executed in accordance to the STA